Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sarah here. So in today's video, we are going to customize a DIY Christmas planner for your happy planner. So if you guys want to see this tutorial, then stay tuned. Okay, here is the 12 by 12 Christmas paper that I got last year at Michael's. It's super cute and girly. So I will be working with this paper. I also have the Happy Planner Christmas Joy sticker book that had the cute 5 Golden Rings Christmas holiday song. If you guys are familiar with that song, it's these stickers here, and I thought they would be cute as a Christmas planner because I hoard stickers, always trying to find the perfect project for them. I don't know, but that's what I do sometimes. But I thought this was super cute idea, and it's actually from this sticker book. So here I'm taking 2 cardstocks papers from that paper pad because it's not double-sided, and for this project I'm using the Happy Planner DIY Create Yourself. It's like a sleeve pocket, and you'll definitely need 2 sheets of paper if they're not double-sided with the same image. So here I'm just cutting them down to size, but I'm actually going to do something different. As I was creating this, I thought that I would actually glue them to the pocket sleeve itself on the outside, but here I'm going to trim it down a little bit because I didn't cut it right, and I will put all the measurements in the description box down below for you. Because I love the deep colors of the image, I decided to go ahead and glue the pages on the outside of the pocket sleeve because this is not as clear as I'd like it to be, so I thought, why not? So again, I will put the measurements down for you guys below, but you can definitely freeze the video to get those measurements. Okay, so here's my paper. It's so pretty. I just love the white and black on each side, and I have an idea for what stickers to use for each side. So we're going to take my double-sided tape, and we are going to tape it to the front side of the pockets. And if you don't have this sleeve, you could totally just do this, glue them back to back, and use lightweight chipboard, which you could use from a cereal box, to punch out your own cover. You don't necessarily need this pocket, and you don't need a laminator. Super cute. So now we're going to take all these stickers. They're all, box stickers, and I wish I would have laid them all out first and then placed them one by one, because I started too close to the top here, and so I have so much space at the bottom. So you'll see I start to learn to put everything down, so I knew where to place my stickers so they look sort of even, because I didn't use the ruler at all. Do you see what I mean? I have that extra space, but I decided to put stickers down there so it kind of looked like it was supposed to be that way. Now you can add trim down there. You could probably add a pretty bow if you're good at making bows. I think that would be cute at the bottom. But these are sticker adhesive trim from Michael's, from the craft section. I use this sticker book for the cute little ice skater. I have this sticker book that I think I pulled something from, maybe the candy canes. But super cute. I'm glad I saved those stickers for a DIY Christmas cover. It's perfect. Okay, now to the back side. So I absolutely love the Nutcracker, and these trees reminded me of the giant tree in the ballet or the play. And so I want to use the Nutcrackers because, again, I'm a hoarder, and I was saving these Nutcrackers for like the perfect project again, and I figured that the paperback stickers work better because the clear ones just got lost in the dark background. So I'm going to use the paperback, and I love the Nutcracker. It's like a tradition that we used to do with the girls. So I'm not sure what I intend on doing for this year, but absolutely love the Nutcracker. Let me know if that was a tradition you took your family to go see on Christmas Eve. I just love the ballet and the music. It's something my grandmother did. But that is my finished look of my DIY Christmas planner cover. It's super cute. I love it. I love that Christmas song. I don't know the name of it, but I just go by 5 golden rings. I don't know why, but super cute. So here I'm showing you the front of it, and then I'll share the finish look of the inside. And a super cute trick, because this is clear and I know some people don't like the spine of these DIY covers, I just took some Happy Planner Christmas filler paper and it totally looked okay. So there you see that you still have your pocket. You can put some pages in there if you want to. But see, you just match a filler paper that matches the front of your cover, so you don't have to worry about that. It kind of looks like it goes with it. But I didn't have a theme for the inside. I just wanted to use a Nutcracker sticker theme. Super cute. And this is my everyday planner, my mom life planner. And I just wanted to make a quick holiday cover for it, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I did go ahead and use some of this Christmas trim. It's like a sticker, so I think it looks really cute. It's super glittery. I also used some other stickers from the Michael Recollections. It's like a seasonal sticker book. It has some really great Christmas or winter other holiday stickers in here. I believe it was like on clearance for $4.99. There was like some cute ones for the Nutcracker portion page that I wanted to use. And then again, Christmas Joy I used, and then the 2 new holiday sticker books that came out this year. But that is my quick tutorial on my DIY Christmas cover. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and hit that notification bell. I appreciate it. So thanks so much for watching. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.